Hi, I'm at Studio here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the portable Bluetooth speaker that some people regard as the best Bluetooth speaker in the world. This is the Bang & Olufsen Beolit 20. It also has an iconic design. It's upgraded with modern touches and crafted to create the ultimate expression of Bang & Olufsen big sound in a portable package. So, what are you waiting for? Let's open it. This is perfect packaging. And here we have the speaker. We have some instructions and cables. This is the Bang & Olufsen Beolit 20. This feels extremely premium. Whoa. To sum up, what's inside the box? The speaker itself, which is portable, and also is easy to carry with this. It's not that heavy. And cables and chargers, and this and a manual, but you just have to choose which one is compatible with your country. Mine is either this or this. I'm gonna choose this one. The cable has a matte finish, which is extremely comfortable. I'm just gonna plug the charger in here. It's charging up. You can put your phone on this and charge it. And it's connected. Now I'm gonna show you how good the sound is and wireless charging. So now let's test the wireless charging and play. The wireless charging absolutely works. So now let's try sound.
Five minutes later.
This is the best sound I've listened to in a portable Bluetooth speaker. You really should buy it. The holes and the sewing inside the holes are extremely precise. The handle is neatly woven. The design is gorgeous. And lastly, the wireless charging is the best. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.